Do you want to feel joy, confidence, and freedom? Well, who knew you could get that from camping? My name's Listea, and I'm the founder of Fridie Outdoors. We're empowering people to get camping by making that know-how accessible offline, and we do this through the Fridie Outdoors app. Growing up, I had never been camping and knew nobody who did. But when I was 11 years old, my parents passed away, and I moved with family. It was then that I was introduced to hiking. I hiked to heal. Now, a lot of those hiking trails would start at campgrounds, and that's when I started noticing people camping. But it wasn't until I graduated from college and moved to Portland, Oregon, that I worked up the courage to go on my first camping trip. Now imagine with me for a moment that you are new to camping and we arrive at this beautiful campsite. The tall trees are there, we've got the lake, we got our gear, but how do I set up that tent again? And how do I get that campfire going? You see, while the beauty of camping is that you're disconnected, the problem is that you're disconnected. And if you get stuck, there is no way to look up the information as you normally would at home. Most campgrounds have little to no cell phone service. And that's when I got thinking, there has to be a better way. And that's when we came up with the Fridie Outdoors app. We're making camping know-how accessible offline. And it's designed for people who are new to camping, as well as people with some experience, but wanting to take their camping to the next level. The videos and the written tips are all straightforward and to the point. That way you can really get the information you need and then tuck that phone away to stay in the camping vibes. So what exactly is in the app? Well, for the beginner, we give you the foundation. Remember that tent? Well, you're going to get that tent set up and you're going to get the best night's sleep. And for the more experienced campers, we're really going to help you to problem solve in the environment. We've partnered with REI and have in-store signage. So when you're getting your tent or your sleeping bag, you'll see Fridie Outdoors right there. We're also partnered with outdoor organizations focused on getting people outdoors and camping, as well as have partners on our website and social media. So what do campers say? Well, hear it directly from them. We've heard folks share with us, thank you for creating something so accessible and educational. This app will be so instrumental for so many Black and brown folks. So thank you for trailblazing and giving the world this gift. And what that's speaking to is that people who have been underrepresented in outdoor recreation feel heard, feel seen, and that makes a difference. All right, this is your sign. Get out camping, download the Fridie Outdoors app, knowing that you can explore with the confidence and really feel that joy, confidence, and freedom that we all deserve to feel outdoors. Let's get camping.